Easter is almost here, and it's the perfect time to bring some festive charm to your outdoor spaces. But how do you decorate your yard, porch, or garden in a way that's fun, creative, and welcoming? Should you go for colorful Easter eggs, adorable bunny displays, or a stunning floral arrangement? If you're looking for amazing Easter outdoor decoration ideas, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 beautiful ways to decorate your outdoor space for Easter, turning your yard into a festive and inviting spring wonderland. Stick around until the end, because I have a special trick that will make your decorations stand out all season long.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can I decorate my front porch for Easter? Your front porch is the first thing guests see, so why not make it festive and welcoming? One great idea is a spring-themed Easter wreath featuring pastel flowers, mini eggs, and a burlap bow to set the seasonal mood right at your door. Another fun option is a bunny or egg-shaped welcome sign, hanging on the door or propped up on the porch to add a playful touch. If you have extra space, a seating area with Easter throw pillows and a floral centerpiece creates a cozy and inviting spring vibe. If you love these front porch ideas, make sure to like and share this video so others can bring Easter cheer to their homes too. How can I create a beautiful Easter garden display? Spring is all about flowers and fresh greenery, making it the perfect time to create a gorgeous Easter garden. A flower bed with pastel-colored blooms like tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths brings an instant spring feel to your yard. Adding garden stakes with Easter eggs, bunnies, or butterflies makes the space even more festive. If you love a creative touch, placing a wheelbarrow or wooden crate filled with faux Easter grass, eggs, and flowers turns an ordinary garden into a holiday display. Want more garden decor inspiration? Check the description for my favorite outdoor Easter decorating supplies. What are some fun yard decorations for Easter? Transforming your yard into an Easter wonderland can be fun and easy. One classic option is large decorative Easter eggs, which can be DIY painted plastic eggs placed around the garden for a colorful touch. Another great idea is inflatable Easter decorations, like giant bunnies, chicks, or eggs, which instantly make your yard feel festive. If you prefer something subtle but elegant, small wooden bunny cutouts along the walkway or flower beds add charm without overwhelming the space. Got a favorite Easter yard decoration? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you'd love to try. How can I use lighting to enhance my Easter decorations? Lighting can make your outdoor Easter decor look magical, especially in the evening. One idea is to use string lights wrapped around trees, bushes, or porch railings, creating a soft and cozy glow. Placing solar-powered Easter pathway lights shaped like eggs or bunnies helps guide guests to your front door while adding a festive touch. If you want something elegant, lanterns with LED candles surrounded by faux grass and mini eggs make for a sophisticated yet fun outdoor display. Looking for the best Easter lighting ideas? Check the description for my top lighting product recommendations. How can I set up an Easter-themed outdoor table? If you're hosting an Easter gathering, a beautifully decorated outdoor table can be the perfect centerpiece. A pastel or floral tablecloth sets the tone for a festive meal. Adding a centerpiece with a rustic wooden tray filled with decorated eggs, candles, and fresh flowers makes the table look elegant and seasonal. To make it even more fun, using bunny-shaped napkin holders and colorful plates gives the table a playful and stylish look. Looking for more tablescape ideas? Check the description for a full playlist of Easter table decorating tips. How can I make my Easter decorations weatherproof? If you're decorating outdoors, making sure your decorations last through rain and wind is important. Using waterproof decorations like plastic eggs, faux flowers, and vinyl banners ensures they won't get ruined by unexpected weather. Securing lightweight decorations with stakes, zip ties, or weighted bases prevents them from blowing away. If you want your decor to last for years, choosing UV-resistant materials helps prevent fading and keeps everything looking fresh. Want long-lasting outdoor decor? Check the description for weatherproof Easter decoration ideas. What are some unique outdoor Easter centerpieces? If you want to create a beautiful focal point in your outdoor space, an Easter centerpiece is a great idea. One stunning option is a large decorative nest filled with oversized eggs, moss, and fresh flowers placed on a porch table or garden bench. A tiered display stand with bunnies, eggs, and small potted plants adds height and charm to your Easter setup. If you love vintage decor, an old birdcage filled with pastel eggs and fairy lights creates a whimsical and elegant Easter display. Love creative centerpieces? Check the description for links to shop my favorite outdoor Easter decor items. How can I decorate my fence or gate for Easter? Don't forget to dress up your fence or gate for Easter. A beautiful option is a garland of pastel-colored eggs and greenery, draped along the fence for a soft, spring-inspired look. Hanging bunny cutouts or wooden signs with Easter messages adds charm and personality to your outdoor space. If you want something eye-catching, creating a large Easter wreath for your gate using ribbons, eggs, and flowers makes a stunning entrance decoration. Need more outdoor decorating ideas? Check the description for my top Easter fence and gate decor finds. Easter is the perfect time to get creative with your outdoor decor, bringing fun, color, and seasonal charm to your yard, porch, and garden. Whether you love DIY projects, elegant floral displays, or playful decorations, there's something for everyone. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more Easter decorating inspiration. Happy Easter and happy decorating!